What up? Not much. Tell you what, man, I don't know, but I'm feeling a ringneck today. I'm really feeling a ringneck today.
Well,
I mean,
it's a perfect spot for it.
Yeah, and it's overcast, and so it's really good flipping weather. So, if you guys think that we're gonna find a ringneck today, hit that like button, and we're gonna get at it. And now 2 seconds down the track, we already got a baby fence lizard. Where'd he go?
He's underneath that right there, so I'm gonna set up mine.
Oh.
See if I can't poke him out. Got him.
Got him? Sweet!
5 seconds in.
5 seconds in, we got a baby fence lizard.
Yeah.
If you guys haven't already guessed it, Lucas has a YouTube channel. It's called Lucas's Lizards. He's going to be filming today too. So if you want to check out the stuff that I don't have in this vlog that he does, link, I'll make sure to put it this time, link to his channel or one of his videos or something will be in the description. Check that out.
Exactly.
That's a good thumbs up. He's so adorable. If it would focus.
Oh, he has an egg tooth still.
Seriously?
Yeah. Right on his boop.
Dang. It won't focus on him. I don't know why. Well, you get a blurry lizard. That'll work.
5 seconds in.
There we go.
Got him.
Nice. Oh, the other one got scared. And that one's a lot browner.
Yeah. He may be covered in mud.
Yeah. Looks like a little baby iguana.
It kind of does. Well,
I see him.
you see him?
He is like black. There he is.
Oh, yep, right there, right there. Oh, no. Get back here. Ah!
Who are you?
Get back here.
No, no. He likes it.
Got him.
He likes this game too much. I touched him.
But I caught him. That's 3 for me in like 2 minutes.
And none for me, because, you know. Oh, there we go. That's a good little close-up of him.
Yeah. Okay, that was
so
fun.
cool looking. Alright.
At least that ought to be entertaining watching.
I'm going to let you guys in the comments name him, and I'm going to pin the comment that is the best name. He kind of looks like a Jeffrey.
I was thinking George. Maybe Lenny.
I don't know, he's got that cockeyed kind of look. Like, what's up, buddy?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to let you go.
Boop.
Okay. So there's the fence lizard. And
Under
there's a Lucas. If you can pull that off. He's right next to your hand. You see his tail?
No.
No. I mean, like, you see that board that's right where your hand's at?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. He took off. Alright, so we lifted up this big rock, and I wish I'd got my tripod, but I left it at the house. Because Lucas lifted it up, and that guy ran into his hand.
Literally.
Literally ran into his hand. And then, to top it off, this one was right under there as well.
This is my 4th one.
It's my first. They're all dark. There had to be some kind of hatching.
There had to.
I've never seen this many babies out here. That is ridiculous.
And we still got the good part to go.
I know.
This is the first 10 minutes of the hike.
Heads up, might be a part 2. No cliffhanger today, guys. I won't do that to you. All right, there you go.
Oh, he jumped.
Oh, he's missing part of his tail. Are you frozen?
Nope, there he goes. Okay. You ready to hit up there?
Yeah, might as well knock it out and then we'll get on the tracks and we'll, because there's a spot that looks prime for potential black kinks to be there.
Just you wait, Rob. We're gonna get one.
Oh yeah, Rob, we're gonna get a black king sometime. Well, we got another fence lizard.
Oh, there's a big one right there.
Oh, and he got one over there too. Look how bright this one. If I can't catch this one, I still at least want you guys to really get a visual for him and see how pretty he is.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get that one. Too far out.
Dude, this one is colored like crazy.
Oh, there's another one. Blue, blue, blue.
Really? Oh wait, he's around. I see him. I see him. He's right. Yeah. You see the one I'm talking about? Right there in front of your face?
Oh. Yeah.
That's...
Here, you go after the blue one.
Actually, I think I have a better shot at getting this one.
Go ahead. Never mind.
I was just kidding. Here's one with the blue on it. It's a male.
Damn, where'd he go?
Hey, buddy. You know that me. Oh God, I had him. I had you. Don't you do it.
That's a good one.
Now it's personal. Now it's personal.
You can tell
hey.
You got this. Hey, get him from above the tail. So remember, they can drop them.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay, guys.
Oh,
nice
wow.
catch. Okay, guys, we can show you the difference between a male and a female now. Females usually have duller colors, like this one. But the males, look on that belly.
And that bright blue just everywhere.
Beautiful lizards. These are about the same size, right?
Yeah.
Mine's a little bigger, but...
It's fine. Mine's prettier.
Shut up. But yeah, beautiful. This might actually
yours gets screwed. Mine does the screwing.
Here, let's see if we can get them side by side.
Right.
Nope. And they're gone. I'm sorry. Just let him go. He deserves it.
Got a little slimy here.
Baby slimy.
Here, let me see if it'll focus in on it. There we go. Cute little guy.
Mm-hmm. I'm not gonna include this guy in my video.
Yeah. Yeah, you got enough lizards.
Yeah. Another one.
Another one?
Two others.
Two others? Oh yeah, there's one right there. Yeah, another little baby slimy I just flipped under this rock.
Still counts.
He's cute. Real cute.
Another Sally.
Look at that lead phase. He is cold. He is so cold.
But we're gonna keep looking.
He's cute though.
This is definitely the most herps I found in one of my videos though.
There you go, buddy. Look at this kind of massive slimy. Look how pretty that thing is. Yeah. He is gorgeous. Wow. Nice find. Heck yes. Got a blue tail right there. Nice little 5-line.
I'm gonna go around.
He's just,
Never mind.
He's already gone. Very babies. Very small baby slimy right here. Under this rock. I'm gonna let you doing your thing, bub. This thing, just look at that greenery. Anything?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you lift these because I lifted those at one time. So we just lifted this up. And no, these are.
No, those are ravine.
How many are there?
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, there's one. There's 2, 3, 4. Where's 5?
1, 2, 3,
there
4,
it is.
5. Holy
There's 5?
crap, there's so many.
Wow.
I see why people come here for the salamanders now.
Look at that.
Jeez.
That is insane.
All the same species.
Holy crap.
Just look at that.
He is huge.
That is awesome. This is a great day, man.
Yeah. With another, whatever this thing is.
Salamander.
Yeah, another salamander. Here. And get you out, buddy, so we can flip your rock back. Come on.
Don't want to squish you. Okay.
There you go, buddy. Crazy. Yeah. We found the spot. Take it back. This is the biggest slimy I've ever seen in my entire life.
Oh my God, this guy's huge.
Put him right up under here on this little bitty rock. And he is massive.
Holy crap.
I mean, massive. And look at him now with the sides. Here, move your hand down. I'm sorry. You can definitely see that it is a slimy salamander.
It's awesome.
Not that plateau I thought he was.
Okay, this is the biggest one I've ever seen.
Jeez. He is huge. Oh, Lord. Alright, well, we'll
let him go.
Well, that's okay, because I got a baby slimy right here. And yeah, guys, I'm going to show you every single thing that we find. Every single one of them. I'm not going to be like, no, I'm not going to show that because we found like 15 of them. No, you guys are getting everything.
Yeah, that's my job.
You already?
Yeah.
Alright. Dude, look at that.
Oh my God.
Jesus. Oh my God.
Come on. Another one.
What? Here. Holy crap.
Dude, these are huge.
They're everywhere.
You didn't even know they could get this big, did you?
No, he's still smaller than the other one. Here.
Oh.
We'll
Yep, he's gone.
I'll let you go. Get up under your rock there, buddy. Get up under your rock. Good God. Yeah, there's going to be a part 2, so...
At least.
Yeah, we're going to go ahead and cut to that. So, be sure to like this video and stay tuned tomorrow for part 2. We're going to get back at it. You guys got to wait till tomorrow. Sucks to be you.
Or you could just watch my video. I'm not doing part 1 and 2.
That's true. You should.
But I got much less stuff on mine. So.
Alright. See you tomorrow. Part 2. Alright, so we got one right here.
If you look close,
and it looks like he's doing push-ups.
He's doing push-ups because that's their territorial position.
Yeah, he's got to get those muscles big and bulky so he can defend off the other males.
Exactly.